Good morning, everybody. It's Saturday here. We're going for the first ride of the season and also the Talon's last ride. We got it, you can see here, we got it all loaded up. Last time I'll be loading it up. It's off to the new owner once I deliver it for the ride today. The new owner will be enjoying it today. I heard he's got his son along with him to enjoy the experience. It's been a great machine for me. I've had a lot of fun with it, a lot of memories with it, and this is it. Sad day to see it go, but it's time to move on to something different. So we'll see how today goes, and hopefully the new owner enjoys it. Hopefully he'll go deep a bit and have some fun with it. So I'll give you one last look at it before we pull out here and head for the ride. Sold.
Sold. It's yours now. Holy crap.
What?
Instant, like, you know, it's just...
That's Honda power.
Lots of room?
Yeah. Loading it up and taking it home already?
What's that?
Loading it up and taking it home already?
Yeah, I had enough. I want to see if it's going to fit. That's what I like about it so far. We just touch that gas. It's not like the Polaris.
So, how was the first ride in it?
Awesome.
It's dirty now, so it's sold.
Uh-oh.
You animal! Gerald, you're like a kid that just got let loose in the candy store and now you're having an orgasm while you pick up all your stuff. Good for you, buddy.
Well, what was I going to ask?
Looks nice. Now you got to get a red helmet.
How does this thing work?
You gotta press both buttons and hold it, and there'll be a red light shows up,
Okay,
and
that's
then
what I
it'll work. But that'll turn it on.
Yeah, okay.
Give me any instructions?
And then it turns off on its own.
Okay.
You won't need that though.
No.
Unless you're towing a Yamaha out.
I very rarely see that. I rarely see you do that.
I know, unless I'm towing a Yamaha. You gotta help them out.
Hopefully get going soon.
I know, waiting on the blueberry. Bruce Lee's always ready to go, right?
You're damn right. Never been beat. I buy a pair of those glasses, but they're like $35.
Yep.
So I can wear them to come today.
Yeah.
I didn't think it was worth it. And I have an old helmet like that, I was going to paint it red.
Yeah.
You got that thing on?
Yep. Keep it up. This is good stuff. This is all about you buying a new machine,
I'm happy with it.
taking over things.
Yeah. Yeah.
You got to show Don up. That's it.
I will.
That's it.
Where he goes, I go.
Yep. And you just make it look easier.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Do that. So how far have you ever had it deep? How far?
Well, I'll tell you, you don't want the gauge to go in there or it'll short out and it'll go blank. Yeah. But I've had it up to the bottom of the steering wheel.
A year.
A little higher.
Yeah.
Because it's on an angle like this and it was like,
I think
that's
I've seen
it.
that video,
Yeah.
Well, I don't plan on doing all that stuff.
Like you're fine up over your legs, your lap,
Yeah.
like you say, like here,
Yeah.
you're still fine.
Yeah.
Above that, I start to worry.
What's your plans for the future? You gonna get another one of these? Don't know yet. Eh?
Don't know yet. Try the 4-wheeler today, see how it goes, and go from there.
What size is that?
500, just a little 500. Slow.
Huh?
It's slow, but gets the job done.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to get going.
I know. He's still.
I've got a horn in this thing.
No horn.
No heat, my feet are cold.
Yeah. Yeah. So the thing is, not the warmest day. Well, this is what we're riding today. 2016 Rubicon 500. People didn't believe this is what I'm riding, but this is what I'm riding now. I really like your machine. How long you had it?
A couple hours.
Perfect.